Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone. Charge it above 50% and back up important files to cloud or PC. Once done, check Settings System Software Update and install any pending patches because system bugs often trigger reboots. Next, boot into Safe Mode to see if the automatic restart stops. Safe Mode disables third-party apps, so you quickly determine if an app is the culprit. If restarts stop, you'll remove problematic apps in the next steps. Now you isolate software causes. Uninstall apps installed or updated right before the problem started, because those are common triggers. Make sure to clear the cache partition from recovery mode to remove corrupted system cache that can force reboots. This does not erase personal data. Also reset app preferences and inspect battery optimization and background activity. Rogue processes here can overload the system. Once done, reboot normally and monitor if software fixes fail. Perform a factory reset after confirming your backup because this wipes user data and restores system files, often curing persistent restarts. Once reset, reinstall only essential apps and observe behavior. If the phone still restarts, it's likely hardware, heat, failing power IC, or battery issues. Contact Vivo service for diagnostics or repair. If you go to service, make sure to note when restarts occur and any error messages or patterns. That information speeds up hardware troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.